Hey everyone, it's April from Cheeky. Hope you're having a good day so far. I wanted to do a super quick overview of the Cheeky Affiliate Program and give you a couple tips to get started. So let's just jump in super quick. The strategy of the affiliate program is not that this is a single program that is going to pay your rent for the rest of your life. It is that it is one of many opportunities that you can capture in order to diversify your streams of revenue. So what do I mean by this? As we know, our industry has been affected very terribly from COVID. And at its most basic level, this means we've had all of our eggs in one basket. I personally think every one of us should be working in this time to generate multiple streams of revenue because this is safer. It protects your downside in case one stream of revenue is minimized or goes away. This gives you at least some sort of security and something to fall back on. So the affiliate program itself, it's kind of a hybrid of an affiliate program and an influencer program. But I think moreover, it's intended to be a sort of unifying idea upon which people can build their personal brands and diversify their incomes. So before I get too far ahead of myself, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is and what influencer marketing is, and then we'll go into the program itself. So affiliate marketing is when a brand or company pays a third party to refer business to them, and then they pay a percentage of the sales on that referral. So this is very low effort on the affiliate side. You can just drop in a link within your Instagram profile or in your website or your other social channels, but it does help to be topical, right? If you see an ad for cocktail syrups in a cocktail blog, it's more likely that the person seeing the ad is going to purchase there than if it were embedded in a blog about plumbing, for example. So being topical is one of the ways in which it makes it easier to earn revenue. So again, you guys are welcome to find affiliate programs for a range of industries, but you will probably convert the best in the field in which you're creating content. Influencer marketing, this is product endorsements and product placements. So typically the influencer has credibility in the field, or minimally they are creating content that resonates with people who care about that field. As you can guess, this is much higher effort than affiliate marketing itself because influencers are constantly generating content. So as I alluded to before, there's opportunity to do both within our platform. So you can use our products in your videos or posts, or you can just link to them. You can also approach other brands, whether it's spirits brands or lifestyle brands, maybe food brands if you're going to do like food and beverage pairings in your videos or your blogs. And perhaps these folks are interested in partnerships where that's additional revenue there as well. So there's multiple opportunities in how you can be creative and generate more value per piece of content. The absolute easiest way to get started with our program is to embed your unique Cheeky affiliate code in your Instagram profile, in your website, and anywhere else you might have social. So that means, again, anyone passively looking through your profile, should they click through the link and even accidentally make a purchase, you get a percentage of that sale. I like to think of success here as having one or more channels with a ton of traffic and maximizing revenue, or by scattering a trail of breadcrumbs around the internet and converting in multiple places. So Apartment Bartender is a good example of the first option. His following is heaviest on one platform on Instagram, and he does a lot of brand partnerships through that channel. My personal strategy for the past 10 years has been the opposite. So I have links that point back to my various websites that are all over the internet, and these result in a ton of inbound requests with numerous referrers. So examples of what I've done in the past and continue to do, not only do I have multiple websites and profiles on most social, from Instagram to YouTube to LinkedIn to whatever, but I'm a cocktail instructor on multiple online platforms. And again, my bio and the links to my websites are embedded there. When I was teaching live cocktail classes a lot more frequently, I was teaching at 5 different schools. And I had probably maybe 15 classes going simultaneously. And so anytime they would post out about a class, you would see my bio and links to my site as well. So that increases the likelihood not only that people are going to find you, because all of these schools and platforms have their own audiences, but also the association with credible organizations, of course, makes you seem more credible. And of course, none of this is intended to be manipulative or devious. This was not the primary driver for teaching these classes and all of that, but just to say that it's very helpful and you should be conscious of it. There are pros and cons, of course, of both approaches. So in the former, having a large audience is a great show of social proof, and it's very valuable. But if Instagram or YouTube or whatever your platform is changes the algorithm, or if Instagram removes likes completely, as they're trialing in a lot of countries, it's very risky because that could jeopardize all of the revenue that you have coming in. In my scenario, you of course risk not hitting enough critical mass to generate meaningful revenue because your attention is split over all these different platforms. But again, a lot of this can be passive. In fact, almost all of my referrals these days, it's not that I'm doing anything to generate them. It's just I've kind of planted the seed. So for me and for what I'm trying to accomplish, I think is the best fit. But this is up to you to decide which tactic or which hybrid of these tactics you want to take. Speaking of tactics, the one tactical thing I wanted to mention before I wrap this up is if you do have an Instagram profile, the first step you should take is getting a Linktree account. It enables you to add multiple links to your bio, which is not possible normally. So anyone browsing your profile can have a direct link to your unique Cheeky URL to buy Cheeky syrups and juices. You can also link your YouTube channel, your personal website, your LinkedIn profile, etc., etc. If you have a blog or a vlog, dropping the link in there and mentioning that you get a 20% tip on all of your sales is also really helpful if you've got an audience who wants to support you. And then, of course, at a higher level of engagement, if you are doing videos or photos, mentioning it in the video verbally is great. Also, dropping the link in below the video in the comment section on YouTube, they allow you to link directly. That is also very helpful. So there's a lot to do. This is a super beginner overview here, but I did want to give you that little tactical tip about Linktree because I think not everybody knows that one. So I will be following up with more comprehensive tutorials, but wanted to mention in closing that, like anything, increased effort generates increased reward. So the more content you're creating that resonates with the audience, the bigger your potential earnings are. If you've got questions, comments, concerns, please post comments below and I will respond as soon as I possibly can. And also please feel free to share this with any friends if you think they should hear this. I hope this was helpful and really excited to work with you guys, and have a great day. Talk soon.